Hey beauties and gents, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kiesha Allen. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and also hit the bell notification button to receive notifications for my new videos. Now, let's get into the video. Alright, beauties and gents, so as you can see from the title, I am doing a full wash day routine using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey line. And I'm super excited because this is how my hair turned out. I've had these braids in for a good week and some change at this point, but I'm not mad at it. But this one braid, y'all, ignore it. Just ignore it. This is the one braid on my head that will not stay down. I don't know why, but it never stays down unless I put like a bobby pin on it. And even then, it does like this weird curl thing at the top and it leaves like a bump. So I'm just dealing with it. But I'm going to show y'all my whole routine using the Pure Honey line. And I'm going to basically do a voiceover throughout the entire video so I don't have to keep coming in and out and telling y'all what I'm doing, because when I'm washing my hair, it's a full process. It's a day process. I don't have time to keep stopping and starting my hair when I have to talk to y'all. So y'all will be getting a voiceover, so let's start the process. Alright y'all, so if y'all are not new here, y'all know my hair is always in braids, but I'm just showing y'all how my braids look at first, and then I'm going to start taking them out. And if y'all want to see a full process of this, there's plenty of other videos where I'm doing wash day routines, but I'm going to be speeding this up because this video is going to be extremely long if I don't. So let's speed this up. Alright y'all, so can we just take a moment to appreciate how my hair is trying to revive itself? Y'all know how dead my hair has been since I bleached it, but y'all, my curls are trying so hard to come back. But now I'm going to be using the shampoo, so let's get started. So I have literally no complaints about this shampoo, y'all. It literally feels like butter in my hair, and y'all know I have type 4 hair, and it takes forever for the water to really get into my scalp because I have low porosity hair. But I absolutely love this shampoo because it smells good, it feels good, and it doesn't take a long time to lather up. So if you like me and you have to find a new shampoo, I highly recommend trying this one. So now I'm going to let the shampoo sit in for 10 minutes after washing it twice, and then this is what it looks like after I rinse it out. Y'all, my curls are really trying to thrive here. I'm super excited, and that's why you see like my face is like surprised because I was not ready for this. But now I'm going to be putting in the conditioner, so let's go. So the conditioner is in my head now, and I'm just showing y'all the conditioner to show y'all that I actually put in my head. But I love this conditioner. It feels moisturizing. It looks like it's actually doing something to my head. But now it's time to rinse it out. So this is what my hair looks like when the conditioner is rinsed out. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to cut my hair off because y'all see how the back of my head looks like it's barely holding curls. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna have to cut that off, but I really love this like whole line, y'all. But I'm going to be using the hair mask next, and I love this hair mask. I've already used it before, but I obviously had to put it into this video because it's part of the line. I personally love it. Y'all should try it. So I'm going to put this in my head and I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. So now that the hair mask is fully in my head, I have a bag over it, and I'm going to put that toboggan on to basically trap in any heat that comes out of that bag. That is basically the greenhouse method, but I like to wear the hat because it makes it a little bit more hot. So yeah, that works for me because of my scalp and my scalp issues. So yeah. Now the hair mask is out of my head, and y'all see my hair. I don't know how else to describe my hair, but it feels soft. But I really want to cut those pieces in the back of my head so bad, y'all. But the next thing I'm going to be using is the leave-in conditioner, and I'm trying so hard to show y'all that. But yeah, I'm going to be using that all over my head, and then I'm going to comb it through. Also, the thing I'm looking at is a mirror, and y'all see how I'm literally like pressing the thing and it's taking forever for the stuff to come out. Y'all, that is the only pet peeve I have of this actual leave-in conditioner. It's amazing leave-in conditioner. The texture is great. It feels moisturizing. It's just the bottle. I can't stand this stupid bottle, but it's pretty. That's all I can say. But I'm going to be putting that all through my head, so I'm going to let y'all keep watching. Alright, y'all, so now that I put the leave-in conditioner and everything inside my hair and my hair is fully washed, I'm going to be braiding up my hair, and I'm using water, oil, and I'm going to be using that leave-in conditioner and also a hair tie to basically separate my hair. I'm going to be oiling my head with Dew Grow and Sulfur 8, and also this I want to say coconut oil. I put a different type of mixture of oils inside of that Dew Grow oil, so that's basically what's going on. But y'all see I'm doing the water, leave-in conditioner, and oil method. So yeah, it's gonna take a long process, but can we just take a shout out to Azzy in the background, because she is like my go-to girl to watch. So yeah, just keep watching me braid my hair, and then I'm gonna end up cutting this clip because y'all have seen me braid my hair so many times it makes no sense. So let's just keep watching. All right, beauties and gents, so this is the final look. I absolutely loved this entire line, and I highly recommend it if y'all haven't tried it. It's been out for a while, but y'all should really try it. And I'm super obsessed with how my hair turned out. My hair was very moisturized, it was very plump to say the least, and I'm looking really tired because I was sleepy. But thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, beauties and gents.